1 month ago, a customer drove into my workshop with a 17-year-old Toyota car, and what shocked everyone was not the mileage, it was its condition. The underbody looked almost new. No rust flakes, no corrosion damage, nothing. This is surprising when you consider that rust-related damage costs the global automotive industry over $20 billion annually, and nearly 30 to 40% of vehicles develop significant corrosion within their first decade, especially in humid or coastal environments. Naturally, I asked him the question every car enthusiast would ask: how is this even possible? He smiled and said something interesting. I don't fight rust. I prevent it using the Japanese ways. He then explained all those preventive tricks one by one, and I wrote them down in my notebook. Later, I tried them on my own car, and the result shocked me. So in this video, I'm going to show you those Japanese methods that don't just slow rust down, they practically stop it for years. And stick till the end, because I will also share a $0 trick that might be the most effective of them all. It can keep your car rust-free for years. Let's get started. Method number 10, the winter paradox. One of the most surprising concepts used by Japanese professionals is something known as the winter paradox. Most drivers believe winter is when rust forms the most, and they are not wrong. But the real damage doesn't actually happen when your car is frozen. It happens right after. When temperatures fluctuate between 0 degrees Celsius and 10 degrees Celsius, snow melts and mixes with road salt, creating a highly corrosive liquid that sticks to your car's underbody. This creates a chemical reaction that aggressively attacks exposed metal surfaces underneath your car. Japanese experts treat winter as a high-risk corrosion cycle, not just a cold season. They recommend underbody washing at least once every 7 days during snowy conditions, focusing on wheel wells, suspension mounts, and chassis seams where salt accumulates the most. By consistently removing salt before it reacts with metal, this method can reduce rust formation risk by nearly 70%, according to maintenance studies. It's not winter itself that damages your car. It's what winter leaves behind. Method number 9, undercoating. Undercoating is a widely practiced preventive measure in Japan that is applied early in a vehicle's life to protect exposed metal surfaces from environmental damage. Research indicates that properly undercoated vehicles can experience up to 80% less structural corrosion over a 10-year period compared to untreated ones. Once prepared, a rubberized or asphalt-based undercoating is applied evenly across all exposed metal surfaces, including seams and joints that are particularly susceptible to corrosion. For those performing this at home, it is essential to lift the vehicle safely, mask components such as the exhaust system and brake assemblies, and apply the coating in controlled layers to ensure full coverage. After application, sufficient curing time must be allowed before driving the vehicle. The Japanese method also includes periodic inspection of the coating, as road debris can cause minor damage over time. This method effectively isolates metal from moisture and oxygen, thereby preventing the fundamental chemical reaction that causes rust. Method number 8, $0 Japanese hack. Here it is, the $0 trick that the title promised. One of the most overlooked causes of rust is trapped water. And this is where clear drain hole maintenance becomes critical. Modern cars are designed with multiple drainage points in doors, trunks, and sunroof channels to prevent water buildup. When these drains clog, water accumulates inside metal panels, which create a hidden corrosion zone that spreads from the inside outward. Japanese professionals treat drain inspection as a routine service. To clear your car's drain holes, open the car doors and look along the bottom edge. You will find small holes or slots. Use a thin plastic zip tie, soft wire, or even a toothpick to gently clear any blockage. You can also pour a small amount of water into the door channel and confirm it drains out immediately. This is a quick, functional test. This process takes less than 10 minutes and costs almost nothing. Keeping drain holes clear ensures that water exits immediately, eliminating one of the primary triggers of long-term corrosion.
Method number 7, Waxing and paint sealants.
Most people associate waxing with aesthetics, but in Japan, it's treated as essential protection. Automotive paint studies show that vehicles with regular wax or sealant applications have up to 50% less surface oxidation over time compared to untreated cars. The process begins with a thorough wash and complete drying of the vehicle to ensure no contaminants remain on the surface. A high-quality wax or synthetic sealant is then applied using a foam applicator in controlled, circular motions, covering one section at a time. After allowing the product to cure for a few minutes, it is buffed off with a clean microfiber cloth to reveal a smooth, protective finish. This layer acts as a hydrophobic barrier, causing water to bead and roll off rather than adhering to the paint. It also protects minor scratches and imperfections that could otherwise expose bare metal to moisture. In Japan, this process is repeated every 2 to 3 months to maintain consistent protection. Method number 6. Anti-rust oil spray. One of the most advanced techniques widely used in Japan involves applying anti-rust oil sprays inside hidden cavities such as door panels, seams, and joints. Experts estimate that over 60% of serious rust damage starts in areas that are not visible during regular inspections. To perform this method on your car, use lanolin-based fluid film with an extension nozzle to access tight areas. That allows the oil to be distributed evenly across seams and enclosed sections. These oils form a thin, protective film that repels moisture and prevents oxygen from contacting metal surfaces. Unlike solid coatings, they remain fluid, enabling them to adapt to temperature changes and continue protecting over time. Application is typically carried out once or twice a year, depending on environmental conditions. This method is highly effective because it targets rust at its most vulnerable starting point. Method number 5. Phosphoric acid rust converters. When rust has already started, Japanese professionals don't panic. They control it with chemistry. Phosphoric acid rust converters can stop corrosion by over 90% when applied correctly. To use this method on your car, first, clean the rusted area using a wire brush or sandpaper to remove loose flakes and dirt. Next, apply the rust converter using a brush or spray, ensuring full coverage of the affected area. As phosphoric acid reacts, it doesn't just kill the rust. It undergoes a complex reaction that transforms porous orange iron oxide into a hard, black, inert layer of ferric phosphate. This new compound is chemically stable and serves as a magnificent primer base that is naturally resistant to further oxidation. After the reaction is complete, the metal is effectively hermetically sealed from the atmosphere. It is the gold standard for arresting corrosion on older vehicles before applying a final protective topcoat. Method number 4. Engine bay protection. One of the most overlooked areas in rust prevention is the engine bay, even though it constantly faces heat, moisture, and chemical exposure. Over time, coolant leaks, road dust, and humidity can trigger corrosion on metal brackets, bolts, and subframe components. In Japan, car owners treat engine bay protection as a routine maintenance step rather than an occasional cleaning task. To clean your engine bay, first shut down the engine and let it cool down completely. Then, use a light degreaser to remove oil residue and grime from metal surfaces without affecting electrical parts. After cleaning, apply a water-repellent protectant or anti-corrosion spray to exposed metal areas such as brackets, fasteners, and seams. This method helps reduce long-term oxidation caused by heat cycles and moisture condensation. Japanese maintenance culture emphasizes that even if rust is not visible in the engine bay, prevention is essential because corrosion here can silently weaken critical components over time. Method number 2. Keep rubber seals and gaskets conditioned. Rubber seals around doors, windows, and trunks play a critical role in keeping water out of the vehicle's interior structure. However, when these seals dry out or crack, they allow moisture to seep into hidden metal areas and accelerate rust formation. In Japan, maintaining rubber components is considered a key part of rust prevention. For the conditioning of your car's rubber seals, first clean them using a mild soap solution to remove dust and dirt buildup. After drying, Evenly apply a silicone-based conditioner or rubber protectant along the seals to keep them flexible and water-resistant. This process prevents cracking caused by heat and UV exposure while ensuring a tight seal against rainwater. Japanese maintenance schedules typically include this step every few months, especially in regions with extreme seasonal changes. Properly maintained seals not only prevent water intrusion, but also reduce humidity buildup inside door cavities. This small but consistent practice significantly reduces hidden rust formation over time. Method number 1. Japanese prevention philosophy. The ultimate Japanese rust prevention secret is not a spray. It's a mindset. Chinese believe on mechanical empathy philosophy. This philosophy dictates that you don't wait for a failure to occur. You actively monitor the health of the metal by inspecting drain holes, clearing debris from wheel arches, and checking AC evaporator lines twice a year. In Japan, the shaken inspection system is so rigorous that a single 2-inch hole in a rocker panel can result in a vehicle being legally declared road unworthy, which has forced a culture of extreme preventative care. By spending just 30 minutes every 6 months performing a tactile inspection of the chassis, you can catch the 1% of rust that causes 90% of the damage. That's why many Japanese cars remain structurally solid even after 10 to 15 years of use in harsh environments. The bottom line of this video is, rust is not bad luck. It's a chemical reaction that happens when you give it the perfect conditions. The Japanese method is powerful because it removes those conditions completely. Instead of reacting to rust, it prevents it from ever starting. If you follow these methods consistently, you are not just maintaining your car. You are preserving it for the long term. See you in the next video.